This is Brianne from Be Creative Company, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Showit website. So basically, first steps first, you'll go to Showit and click Login with the email that I provided you and the information. Once you log in, it'll pull you up to this home page right here. I'm kind of just going to walk you through different steps and how to navigate everything. So first and foremost, you're going to have design settings right over here. This is where all your colors are going to be, your fonts are going to be, things like that. I've already preset all of your stuff for you, but if for any reason you have to change any of them, you can click these little dots right here and change your fonts. You can also change the colors. From there, you also have your media library. In here is where all of your photos for your website will go. So you can basically add a new folder, and then as you can see, you can upload the different files to each folder, and that way you can access this from all across your website. This is your main navigation bar overall. If you need to make any adjustments or any edits, it's going to be in here. So for example, if I want to go to the About page and edit something, the Experience page, etc., but usually you shouldn't have to really access this unless you need to completely edit something, which I would be happy to help you with, because I know sometimes it can be tricky. So let's say I'm on the home page and I want to edit this little welcome section. There are two ways to access that. You can click this button right here, and it'll basically open what's called a canvas, which is this guy, and then you can go in and type in the box itself just by double clicking. Or you could go into your page setting right up here. You can click on that and then find the section of the website. This is the Welcome and About section. I've usually labeled most of these for you by this point, but you can go in and, like I said, you can type, you can go change your fonts, things like that. So from there, some other things and features, you have your blog right here. This is not to access the blog. You're going to need the WordPress link, which I will give to you, because this is just to edit the look of the blog. This has already been designed for you, so you really don't have to worry about it. But if for some reason you wanted to change the look, you would go into this section and you can edit all these little features. You can also edit the way a single post would look. Again, this is not the image that would be shown, but it's a featured image. So when you post a blog post, you would put the featured image right here. So within each page, I've organized all these different categories. Your navigation is going to be at the top, which is where your menu is. You're going to have your header, which is your main image right here. Your welcome section. Usually, sometimes there's like a photo or another feature. And then I try to, in most sites, include an explore the site or like client love, things like that. If for some reason you need to adjust your contact form, you can always add additional forms in here. This is a little tricky. I would rather help you with this if you have any questions or if you need more additional help with that. But we can always go into that later. But basically, you would add more of these little forms and extend the contact form. So another important thing to know, you're going to have something called page info on the side. This sidebar changes depending on what page you're on, but the key thing to remember for this particular section is your SEO settings. In this box, meta description and meta keywords is where you want to make sure that you type all of the searchable keywords for people to be able to find you. I personally don't work with a lot of SEO, but I would recommend hiring someone who does. I just have basic stuff in mind, like I think mine says Be Creative Company is a Houston graphic design company or something. I don't know. I can't remember what it is. It's been so long. But you want keywords that people can search. That makes you searchable on the internet. You also can put an image right here, so that way when your website pops up, people can see it, things like that. Advanced settings, these are more for custom design. I wouldn't worry about that. Also, do not check Ask Google to ignore this page because you want to be searchable, so make sure not to check that on accident. On the left side over here, you're going to see your mobile version of your site. This is the same as the desktop, except it's mobile friendly. So basically, what I've already designed on your homepage is going to show up on your mobile, but it'll be mobile friendly. So this is what your clients will see when they access your website from their phone, and this is what they see from the web. It's pretty cool. Other important features to know, you can click here and see your site, so you can create additional sites within your Showit library. You can manage your subscription, your domains, etc. There's a lot of other features of Showit that are more fancy and design friendly, but if you have any questions, please just let me know. You can also go to your site settings and set your favicon here. You can set your domain here. I've already set this up for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And then this particular site has not had their blog set up, but it's in the process, but normally it would say your blog domain here and link to that.